Hello guys, in today's video the new Doogee S200 Ultra, the flagship rugged smartphone with the rear AMOLED display and the next level durability, equipped with the latest Mecha 2.0 design inspired by the futuristic machines. This smartphone doesn't just look powerful, it really is. The Doogee S200 Ultra combines exceptional durability, advanced specifications and affordable price, making it a perfect choice for anyone who wants a reliable device ready for any challenge. It comes with a Dimensity 7400 chipset, a 100 megapixel camera and a huge 11,000 mAh battery, lasts for days. There is so much more, so be sure to watch this Doogee S200 Ultra 5G video review and find out all the details. The leader in production of rugged smartphones, Doogee brings us a new and improved model with the flagship performances. So let's dive into unboxing and see what we get here. Right on the top we get greeted by the S200 Ultra smartphone itself. We will set it aside for a moment and focus on what else is included in this box. First up, there is a quick user manual written in 7 languages, along with the warranty card and all the paperwork. Then we have an extra screen protector, a thoughtful addition, especially since the phone already comes with the built-in pre-applied one. Next we get a stylish black USB-C charging cable, and to keep things running efficiently there is also 66-watt fast charger, always great to see a proper charger included these days. With all that covered, it's time to turn our attention to our star of this review, the S200 Ultra smartphone itself. As you can see, the phone makes a strong impression right from the first glance in this powerful green color variant. It features a sleek titanium finish design that perfectly blends toughness with the futuristic aesthetics. Each of these sharp lines and the curves has been engineered with purpose, giving it a bold and a confident look. The reinforced Mecha 2.0 design adds an extra layer of durability, of strength and innovation. The S200 Ultra is also available in fresh new colors, including dazzling yellow, mystic black and this elegant forest green variant that we have reviewing today. In the hand, the S200 Ultra gives off solid, unshakable feel, like a dependable tool ready to accompany you through even the toughest adventures. Now let's take a look at the external features of this phone. On the right side of the metal frame we have 2 volume up and down buttons. Below them is a power button, which is also the fast fingerprint scanner. On the left side of the phone you will find a SIM micro SD tray that supports 2 nano 5G SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card with the capacity of up to 2 TB. Below is customizable shortcut key which can trigger 3 different functions depending on whatever you single press, double press or long press, ideal for quickly launching the camera, flashlight or SOS call, or you can customize whatever you need. At the bottom of the phone we have USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. From the back we get these huge grills, under which are superliner speakers supporting high quality audio, providing clear, low distortion sound performance. The front of the Doogee S200 Ultra is adorned with the impressive 6.72-inch FHD Plus IPS display that immediately attracts attention with its rich colors and sharpness. At the very top of this elegant panel is a 32-megapixel front camera, perfect for the photograph selfie lovers. However, this camera is not limited to photos only. Thanks to support for HD video recording, it's also excellent for video calls, vlogs and fast-paced content recording on the go. The screen has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, which, combined with the 120Hz refresh rate, proves a flawless visual experience. Every scene of the screen looks incredibly clear and detailed, while colors appear exceptionally vivid and natural. Whether you are watching your favorite movies, playing graphic-rich games, or just surfing the internet, the display remains smooth and extremely pleasant to the eyes. The high refresh rate additionally contributes to the fluidity of animations, making everyday actions such as scrolling through the applications or scrolling through the social networks significantly more enjoyable. One of the key advantages of this display is readability outdoors. The IPS technology ensures wide view angles, while high brightness enables a clear display without the need for additional screen shading. Long seasons on YouTube or any video platform feel generally enjoyable. The display delivers rich contrast, defined shadows and vivid tones, making every scene crispy, clear, balanced and visually immersive. But of course, this is not the only screen on this smartphone. The small additional screen on the back of the S200 Ultra is one of its most interesting and practical design elements. It is the world's first 1.32-inch 60Hz AMOLED rear display that is located right next to the triple camera. Definitely one of the most feature-rich rear displays on any phone. The S200 Ultra innovative multifunctional subscreen not only puts a message preview, calendar view, shortcut camera, music playback control, call answering and more of your fingertips, but also adds dynamic effect to make every operation convenient. There are also some new functions never seen before. Dynamic video digital displays to meet your needs are available in futuristic cyberpunk styles, allowing you to change your lock screen display anytime. A great novelty is the possibility of starting YouTube on this small screen. Fully functional with all options, you can watch videos anywhere. This function is the first time we see on an additional screen ever. One of the coolest features of the Doogee S200 Ultra that immediately grabs attention is its ambient LED lighting on the back. These lights aren't just static, they pulse and grow dynamically, giving the phone a futuristic high-tech vibe that perfectly complemented the secondary AMOLED rear display. It's like having a mini light show built right into your rugged smartphone. The breathing light effect can signal notifications, calls, or simply act as a stylish visual accent that you are outdoors on low light environments. Combined with the sleek Mecha 2.0 design, these pulsating lights makes this phone feel more like a piece of advanced gear than the typical smartphone. Of course, you can change all of these options of these light effects both in terms of color and intensity via the application in the settings. Now, Doogee S200 Ultra has impressive triple rear camera system that is designed for versatile photography in various conditions. This system includes a 100 megapixel main camera with AF functionality. That means camera allows you to capture extremely detailed photos even in low light. Thanks to AI enhancement, the camera can recognize scenes and automatically adjust settings to ensure the best possible result. There is also 20 megapixel night camera with infrared technology. This night camera is a special accessory that allows you to take photos or videos in extremely dark conditions. Thanks to the infrared sensor, you can take videos and photos even in complete darkness, which is ideal for night adventurers or professional use who find themselves in poorly lit environments. Here is also 2 megapixel macro camera for detail lovers. The macro camera allows you to capture close-up objects from the minimal distance. With support for 4K video recording, you can expect exceptional video quality with smooth transitions and rich colors. The phone also uses advanced AI features to improve the performance of the main camera. Among them is AI Erase, which intelligently recognizes and removes unwanted elements from photos such as background clutter or unwanted people. There is also AI background replacement, as well as AI digital human and AI portrait option, all of which allow users to easily enhance their photos without the need for additional apps or complex editing. Now, to truly appreciate the camera's capabilities, check out some sample photos taken with the Doogee S200 Ultra, so let's take a look. At the heart of this new Doogee S200 Ultra is the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor built in 4nm technology with elegant cores clocked at up to 2.6 GHz. This chipset combines with the basic 12GB of RAM with the possibility of activating 36GB of virtual RAM, ultimately provides the incredible 48GB of RAM, which further ensures a fast and a fluid user experience without any slowdowns. And with the generous 1TB of internal memory, it provides enough space for all those who need additional storage for photos, videos and other multimedia content. The Mali G650 MC2 GPU provides decent graphics. Even in the most demanding games, during gaming the phone delivers a smooth experience or medium to high settings with minimal heating thanks to the efficient cooling. All in all, this could be the real gaming smartphone, effective for hardcore gamers and all those who are addicted to it. With a large 11,000 mAh battery, the S200 Ultra is built to last. Even with a heavy gaming use, you can expect the phone to last for hours and hours without needing to recharge, and when it comes to charging, the phone supports 66W wireless charging, allowing you to charge fairly quickly despite the large battery. Let's not forget the 10V OTG reverse charging function that will turn our S200 Ultra into a real power bank. Equipped with the latest Android 15, provide you with a clean and bloatware-free experience and comes equipped with all Google applications and its integrated features. Furthermore, it boasts several practical pre-installed apps, including a System Manager Optimizer and versatile toolbox, which can provide the indispensable in various field scenarios. Of course, it supports global 5G connectivity, which means you can enjoy blazing fast internet speed, smoother streaming and faster data downloads. The phone also offers impressive wireless connectivity options. It's equipped with the Wi-Fi 6, the latest Wi-Fi standard, which provides a faster speeds, better signal coverage and improved battery life, so you can enjoy lag-free online gaming. Navigation is a crucial feature for outdoor adventures, and the S200 Ultra has you covered. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou and many other satellites are supported for navigation, meaning you always have accurate data whether you are in urban areas or out in the wild. The Doogee S200 Ultra 5G stands out at the very top of the rugged smartphone category, built with precision to outperform tough durability standards while maintaining full performance and modern functionality. Its rugged chassis and reinforced construction, combined with MIL-STD 810H certification, allow it to withstand impacts from various angles, including drops from all sides and the corners of this device. With IP68 and IP69K certifications, the phone is ready for any challenge. From extreme weather conditions to demanding terrain, it is resistant to water, dust and shocks, making it a perfect choice for users who need a reliable device in most demanding conditions. It has been tested to strict military standards and can easily withstand immersion in water up to a depth of 2 meters for up to 24 hours. Incredible! Whether you are an adventurer in the wilderness, working at the construction site, or simply need a device that can withstand all challenges, the Doogee offers the strength and durability you can rely on every day in every situation. In the end, it's clear that the Doogee goes far beyond the idea of typical rugged phone. It's true technological off-roader, blending raw performance, serious durability in one powerful device. In its class, the Doogee S200 Ultra offers ultimate value for your money. So if you are interested in purchasing this unique smartphone, and I'm sure you are, official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of the current promotional pricing, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. Grab your Doogee S200 Ultra today while you have a chance. That's all for now. We'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.